Welcome back to another episode of Easy Peasy Labeling with me, Melissa. Are you using one of the Epson LabelWorks PX tape supplies that doesn't have the split back lining? Well, we've got a tool to make it easy to peel the label. Many of the Epson LabelWorks PX tapes have the split back lining, but not all of them do. So I'm going to show you how to use the tape splitter tool to split the backing. This is how the splitter tool works. It has a blade behind the blade guard. It sticks out just a little bit, so it's intended to only cut the label backing, but it is a blade, so if you push too hard, it might cut the label itself. Let's give it a try. Start by taking your printed label and place it face down on a flat surface. Then we're going to take our cutter blade and we are going to release the blade guard with this little slide here. Now you're simply going to take this and glide it gently along the paper backing on the label, and it'll cut the backing but not the label. You don't have to push hard. Then simply peel off the backing and get right back to labeling. That's how easy it is to use the tape splitter tool. If you have questions on this or want to chat about your labeling needs, our local support team is here to help. Thanks again and happy labeling.